MATIC, or Polygon, some of you may know it as, is the #1 top performing altcoin in 2021 that does still have a bright future ahead. It is up about 10,000%. The price did peak right up there at about $2.60. And from that peak, the price did have a major correction down about 75%, which instantly recovered. And now price has been trading in a range, sitting close to that 50-day moving average support. Looks like the bulls or the bears don't have control right now. So let's have a deeper look and talk about it here on the channel for the first time. Welcome to Currency.com's channel. I am your host, John, at RealJohnDoe on Twitter is where you can find me. Today is our very first analysis on MATIC, or Polygon. Some of you guys may know it as. And things have been going extremely well so far for the altcoin MATIC so far this year. And a lot of people did buy it when the run already started. So now people are in a question, is this thing going to continue towards the upside, or has it peaked and will continue to correct further on into the year? Let me give you guys the usual bearish outlook and bullish outlook, as well as support and resistance levels to look at, the trader sentiment, a little bit of the news, and I hope you enjoy. Let me give you guys a little bit of inside news right now for Currency.com. Just to let you guys know, there is about 20 new cryptos that will be listed later on this month. Right now, we do have a few of the top cryptos, but like I said, 20 new cryptocurrencies will be listed on Currency.com for you to buy, sell, or trade with leverage. And right now, at the time of recording, MATIC is not listed yet on Currency.com, but in that list of 20 new cryptos, you know MATIC is for sure going to be one of them. Let's talk a little bit about the channel as well. For those of you who are new, make sure you are subscribed so you do stay tuned to more and more content that we do push out weekly. And those of you who are already subscribed, showing your support to the channel, make sure you as well hit that thumbs up button and like this video. That's really helpful to the channel. And as you can see, we do continue to grow right now. We are just now at about 21K subscribers. Thanks for all the support for that. And let's keep on moving with the video. Time for me to give you guys this analysis on MATIC. So for support and resistance levels for MATIC right now, first support level I'm looking at is right at around $1.32. That is the 50-day moving average. Next support, $1.05, which does bring us down to the May lows. And then the last support after that, if those two break, is right around 80 cents. And that is the May open range. But towards the upside, if MATIC does roll over and start pushing up towards the resistance levels, the first level I'm looking for price to break is right at around $1.58, which is the 21-day moving average. If that breaks, flips into support, the next level I'm looking at is $1.90, which is the all-time high support range. And if we can push further, then I'm looking at $2.20, which is all-time high resistance. And if that breaks, then we're most likely going up to test all-time high and potentially even push further than that. So one of the big things that has happened for Polygon or MATIC, Mark Cuban said that he is invested in it. In an email, he said he is using it more and more, and it is part of his portfolio. And with Mark Cuban making this announcement, as well as the DeFi that has been growing on Polygon, the price just couldn't stop going up in May. Year to date, it did do about 10,000%, which we will get more into later on in this video. And it did become one of the most talked about cryptos, making it all the way in the top 10 coins by social volume. And as the sentiment continues to grow for MATIC, fundamentals as well continue to grow for MATIC. There's been a lot of partnership announcements, one here with Google BigQuery, the Mark Cuban one like I mentioned earlier. And as of June 5th, 2021, the TVL, total value locked on MATIC, reached about $7.33 billion. Showing DeFi is growing on there. And with DeFi growing on MATIC, let's talk about the price. And is the price going to continue to grow, as well as the apps and adoption and fundamentals for MATIC? Looking at the price right now, it has taken a massive run since the beginning of the year. Like I mentioned, up about 10,000%. You can see we did have a major push here in the beginning of May, bringing it up to about $2.80. Which did get a huge rejection down towards that 50-day moving average, where we did find support here, lining up with this same level here where we did find support at the beginning of May. And if you look at the price right now, it is approaching that 50-day moving average right on it, right up above it, and also is potentially heading back down to this major support level in this range from May. But that is my second level of support, if this 50-day moving average level does break. So before we get into price targets and things like that, let's talk about the basic things first. This trend right now for MATIC, you can see it is in a long-term uptrend. Right now, the price is trading below that 21-day moving average and above the 50-day moving average. So we should expect some chop to happen, some sideways price action. And as you can see, where we did have that last, price did bounce right out of there. But right now, it's looking like it is heading down to test that 50-day moving average. And we do have to wait now any day. Either we will get a bounce back above that 21-day moving average or break that 50-day moving average support and head down towards that next level. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, down here. So right now price is on the 50, which is critical, but the next buy the dip opportunity to be looking for is down here at about 80 cents to $1. And even if we do head down towards that level, if we do hold this support, then I am expecting a bounce from that level to push at least up towards $2. And the price action right now, you can see it is still within this trend line here, making higher lows each time. The things to look for right now, if price does keep heading down, is a buy to dip opportunity and a break of this trend line. If we start getting a bounce at these current levels, then we got that 21-day moving average, and then, like I mentioned earlier, push up towards $2. So for a bullish scenario right now for MATIC, this is what I'm expecting to happen. I'm expecting a bounce at these current levels, a test of that 21-day moving average. We trade in a little bit tighter range, but continue to make higher lows, and then we break out to test $2. Another one I'm looking at here is a buy to dip opportunity where price does break down below this 50-day moving average, heads down to test this May support level, but we do get a bounce from there as well, heading back up to test that 21-day moving average, as well as some consolidation and a further push up to $2. So right now on the upside, I am still looking at $2 to happen. If things do stay bullish right now in the crypto space, Bitcoin is down, so that will affect MATIC, but things could be shifting any day now, and that is a nice bullish outlook for MATIC in the short term here, having a $2 price target. And that $2 price target would make it up about 41%. And it also does keep it within this trend line here from that all-time high range, and also from where price continues to make higher lows. So if we do stay within this wedge, we can expect sideways price action before that breakout towards $2. But if we do break, be expecting 80 cents to $1. And then that would lean towards my bearish price targets. If we don't get a bounce, then I am looking at this range all the way down here at about 80 cents as the lows, and potentially even a test or a wick similar to here down to this 200-day moving average at about 60 cents. So to head down to that level, I am seeing something like this happening where price doesn't even hold this 50-day moving average, and we head straight down to this May support range, and we get a slight bounce there, but stay within a downtrend, reject this 50-day moving average resistance, and continue to push and eventually bottom out in this 80-cent range. But keep in mind, volatility is high right now, so we could even get that happening much quicker with a breakdown like this, a small little bit of consolidation, and then continue down and sit around 80 cents. That would be the last line of defense I see for the bulls for MATIC right now, for this uptrend to continue to a new all-time high later on this year. If we do hold this level, then I am expecting a new all-time high later on this year for MATIC. If the bull run does continue for crypto, that would be a nice level to continue price action towards the upside, with still my price target at about $2, and then the next level right up here pushing towards $3 later on this year. So from the current level that we're at right now, if you are bullish on MATIC, what you need to look out for if price does continue breaking down, like I mentioned, you need this May low range to hold, and that would be your entry point for a trade or buy the dip opportunity with a price target right up here at around $2. But only look for that entry if we do have a bullish reversal candle. Also, you can see if we do have it now at this current level at this 50-day moving average, you could get an entry there with that same target at about $2. but it just gives you a much higher entry point. I still think the highs will be tested for MATIC later on this year, but I will keep a close eye on this. This is our first analysis on it, and I will keep you guys updated right here on the channel. I hope to see you back again here on Currency.com's channel, and I hope I really helped you out in this analysis. If I did, make sure you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Also, leave your comments below, everyone. Let me know your feedback on the video and what you'd like to see us talk about again next time. We do look at all the comments, and it helps us improve on the channel and push out more and more content for you guys. And I hope to see you back again in the next video. Thanks for checking in. I'm checking out. It's John with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.